Now we are discussing the bubble sort. Bubble sort is a sorting algorithm by which we can sort the numbers or the alphabets. We know that sorting algorithms are used for sorting the numbers into ascending or the descending order. So to understand the bubble sort, we have taken an example here where it is saying sort the following numbers using bubble sort and few numbers are given. So first of all, we are taking these numbers into array. So here we are putting all the numbers just like we are having 32, 51, 27, 85, 66, 23, 13 and 57. So these are the numbers we have taken. Well, talking about the bubble sort work into the passes. Passes, or we can say that phases. Phase 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all, we are going with the pass 1. After every pass, we will get the largest number at the proper position. So in the pass 1, we will get the largest number. So see how it will work. First of all, we are going to compare the first two elements. So here we are taking the 32 and 51. We can see that these two elements are at proper position because we are working on the ascending order. So 32 and 51, they are on the proper position. Now afterward, we are going to compare the next two elements, which is 51 and 27. If we compare 51 and 27, then we can see that these two numbers are not into the ascending order. So that means we are going to swap these numbers, means 51 and 27, they will be swapped. So now we are taking another row here. In this row we are taking the swap numbers. So 27 is coming here and 51 will come at other side. All the remaining numbers will be as it is. So 32, 85, 66, 23, 13 and 57 are as it is. Again we are going to compare the two numbers. So 51 and 85 we are going to compare here. We can see that they are at the proper position, so no problem. Then we are comparing the 85 and 66. If we compare these two numbers, we know that they are not into the ascending order. So these two numbers will be swapped because 63 is less than 85. So these two numbers will be swapped. So we are taking these two numbers and we are inserting one more row here. So now 66 will come before, then afterward 85 will come. Rest of the numbers will be as it is. So 32, 27, 51, 23, 13 and 57 are as it is. Now we are comparing the next two numbers afterward. So we are comparing 85 and 23 here. Again 85 is greater than 23, so they are not into the ascending order. Means we are going to swap these two numbers. So 85 and 23 will be swapped. So we are inserting one more row here. So here 23 will come before, then 85 will come. All the remaining numbers will be as it is. So 32, 27, 51, 66, 13 and 57 as it is. Now again we are comparing the next two numbers. So we are comparing 85 and 13 here. So 85 is greater than 13. So these two numbers will be swapped. So we are inserting one more row here. So 13 will come before, then 85 will come afterward. And the remaining numbers will be as it is, which is 32, 27, 51, 66, 23 and 57. Again we are going to compare the two numbers here. So we are comparing 85 and 57. We know that 85 is greater than 57. So these two will be swapped here. So we are inserting one more row. So 85 will come afterward, and before that 57 will come, and all the numbers will be as it is. 32, 27, 51, 66, 23, 13. So there the past one is over. So if you talk about the past one, we are having the largest number at the proper position. So we can see that talking about the largest number. So the largest number we know that is 85. So 85 you can see that it is at the proper position. So now is the time to go to the past 2. So now we are talking about the past 2. To understand the past 2 here, we are going to take the last row where we have stopped. So here in the past 2 we have taken the row and we have taken all those numbers where we have left earlier. So all those numbers I am taking 23, 13, 57 and 85. We know that in the past one we got the largest element at the proper position. So now in the past 2 it is the time of the second largest element to be at the proper position. So again we are starting from the first two numbers. So we are comparing the two numbers 32 and 27 here. We know that 32 is greater, so 32 will shift on the right. So we are swapping these two numbers 32 and 27. So we are inserting one more row here. So 27 will come before and then 32 will come. And all the numbers will be as it is, like 51, 66, 23, 13, 57 and 85. Now we are comparing the next two numbers 32 and 51. We know that these two are at the proper position because if we see 51 is greater than 32, so no problem. Then compare 51 and 66. 66 is greater, so no problem. Compare 66 and 23. Here is the problem. Because 66 is greater than 23, so 66 should be on the right hand side. So here we are swapping these two numbers 66 and 23. So inserting one more row. So 23 will come here and 66 will come afterward. And all the remaining elements will be as it is. So now again we are going to compare the next two numbers. So we are comparing 66 with 13. We know that they are not at the proper place because 66 is greater than 13. So we are swapping these two numbers. We are inserting one more row here. 13 will come before, then afterward 66 will come. And all the remaining numbers will be as it is. Now again we are comparing the next two combination. So 66 is compared with the 57 here. Again we can see that 66 is greater. So these two numbers need to be swapped. So we are inserting one more row here. So here we are having 57 before, then afterward 66 is coming. And all the numbers will be as it is. Now compare the combination of two numbers here. We can see that there is no problem here. So there is no further swap we have to do. Now after the completion of past 2, we can see that the second largest number, it has the proper position. We know that the second largest number is 66 here. So talking about the bubble sort work into the passes. Pass 1, 2, 3, 4. And here in every pass, we got the number at the proper position. Just like in the pass 1, we got the largest number. Pass 2, we got the second largest. Pass 3, third largest. And so on. That's why just like bubbles are going into the sky, slowly. Similarly, here the elements we are finding at the proper position in a slow manner, step by step. That's why the name is given as the bubble sort, because bubble by bubble we are getting the numbers at the proper position. So here in the past one we got the largest number, in the past two we got the second largest number at the proper position. Now is the time to go to the past 3. So now we are working on the past 3 of the bubble sort. So wherever we have left with the past 2, the last sequence that we are going to take here into the past 3. So the same sequence we are taking 27, 32, 51, 23, 13, 57, 66 and 85. So that sequence we have taken. Now again we are going to start from the first two elements. So we are compare 27 and 32. So they are into the ascending order, no problem. Compare 32 and 51 in ascending order, no problem. Compare 51 and 23. They are not into the ascending order. 51 is greater. So here we has to swap these two elements. So 51 and 23 has to be swapped. We are inserting one more row here. So 23 will come here and 51 will come afterward. And all the remaining elements will become as it is. Again we are going to compare the two numbers afterward. So 51 we are comparing with the 13. They are not into the ascending order. So these two numbers need to be swapped. We are inserting one more row here. So 13 will come first, then 51 will come. And all the numbers which are remaining will be as it is. Again we are going to compare the next two numbers here. So 51 and 57, they are at the proper position into the ascending order. 57 and 66, they are into the ascending order, no problem. 66 and 85, they are to the ascending order, no problem. So here in the past 3, we got the third largest number at the proper position. So here the third largest number we are having is 57. So bubble by bubble we are going to get the largest number at the proper position. First largest, second largest and the third largest. And one more thing we are observing. Whenever we are going level by level, means pass by pass, then number of times we are swapping, that is going to decrease. Just like in the first pass there was multiple swapping, in second there was less, in the third we can see that there are even more less swapping is there. So similarly we are going to the pass by pass, the swappings will be even more less. So now we are going on the pass 4. So now we are learning the pass 4. In the pass 4 again we are starting from the last row where we have ended with the pass 3. So the same row we are going to take here 27, 32, 23, 13, 51, 57, 66 and 85. Again we are starting with the first two numbers here. So we are comparing 27 and 32. They are at the proper position, ascending order. Then comparing 32 with 23. These two are not into the ascending order. So these two numbers need to be swapped. So 32 and 23 will be swapped. And we are inserting one more row here. 23 will come first, then 32 will come. And all the numbers which are remaining will be as it is. Again we are going to compare the next two numbers here, 32 and 13. These two numbers are not into ascending order, so these two numbers will be swapped. We are inserting one more row here. So 13 will come here and 32 will come afterward. And all the remaining numbers will be as it is. Again afterward we are comparing 32 with 51, no problem, ascending order. 51 with 57, ascending order. 57 with 66, ascending order. Then 66 with 85, ascending order. So here other numbers there is no swapping required. So here after the pass 4 we got the fourth largest number on the proper position. So here we can see that the fourth largest number is 51. So here 51 is at the proper position. Now we are going to the pass 5. In the pass 5 we are taking the last row where we left from the pass 4. So here we are taking 27, 23, 13, 32, 51, 57, 66 and 85. So now we are going to compare the first two numbers here, 27 and 23. They are not into the ascending order. So 27 and 23 will be swapped. We are inserting one more row here. 23 will come here, 27 will come afterward. All the remaining numbers will be as it is. Again we are comparing the next two numbers, 27 and 13. They are not into the ascending order. 27 is greater than 13, so they will be swapped. We are inserting one more row here. So first we are putting the 13, then afterward we are putting the 27. All the remaining numbers will be as it is. Now we are going to compare the next two numbers, 27 and 32. They are into the ascending order. 32, 51, ascending order. 51, 57, 57, 66, 66 and 85. So they are into the ascending order, so no change. So this way we are having the fifth largest number at the proper position. So now we are going to the next pass, which is the pass 6. So now we are working on the pass 6 and we are going to take the last row of the pass 5. So 23, 13, 27, 32, 51, 57, 66 and 85. So they will come here. Again we are starting comparing the first two elements. We can see that they are not into the ascending order. So 23 is greater than 13, so need to be swapped. We are inserting one more row here. So 13 will come first, then 23 will come, and all the remaining elements will be as it is. Now afterward we are going to compare the next two numbers. They are to the ascending order, no problem. Then again comparing 32 with 51, then 51 with 57, 57 with 66 and 66 with 85. So no changes here. So we are having the sixth largest number at the proper position. So in this pass there is no change afterward. So we are going on the next pass, which is the pass 7. So now we are discussing the pass 7. In the pass 7 we are taking the last row of pass 6, which is 13, 23, 27, 32, 51, 57, 66 and 85. Here again we are going to compare the elements. So we are comparing the first two elements, 13 and 23, no problem, into the ascending order. 23, 27, 27, 32, 32 and 51, 51 and 57, 57 and 66, 66 and 85. So no swapping is there because all the elements are into the ascending order. So there we are going to stop because all are into the ascending order and there is no swapping performed. So we will stop here on this pass, and this is our sorted elements. So at the starting of bubble sort, we have given with the unsorted elements and we just make them sorted with the help of bubble sort. The name of bubble sort is given because we are going on step by step, means pass by pass, and we are placing all the elements, means largest element at the first pass, second largest at the second pass, and so on every pass, just like the bubbles are going one by one. That's why the name is given as the bubble sort. So this is all about the bubble sort.